What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on linear finance and the Lina token. Wanted to make a quick video on that because, well, multiple reasons. I mean, there's a lot to talk about, but it's up 25% in the last in the last day, and the last couple of days it's been even more bullish. As you can see, we've had a little bit of a rally. But apart from that, I have covered Lina a lot in my YouTube times. So I know that a lot of you actually hold and trade Lina, and I personally also traded it at some point of time. So I just wanted to talk about that right now. And there are some things we really need to talk about because there are some dangers that I kind of want to prevent you from falling prey to. Like for example, right now Lina is very bullish, but one of the big reasons why it actually is bullish is that Lina is seen as a China-related coin, which I don't even think that's true. I actually think their main labs is in the Netherlands, but I could be wrong. But sometimes it doesn't matter. Sometimes the market just decides that, all right, well, this was on a lot of China narrative lists. It's China narrative. I think that's the case with Lina. But apart from that, I also think it's a bit manipulated right now, so we'll talk about that too. But before we dive into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. Now on to Lina. So we'll talk about the technicals, don't worry, but it's necessary first to talk a little bit about fundamentals. So first of all, why I think Lina is manipulated right now, so that's a little bit of a danger. Doesn't have to be. Manipulation in crypto could also still be bullish. But if you take a look at the volume, you can see that over like 40% of the volume is coming from sources which I would say are unreliable, like UpBit Indonesia, HitBTC, and BitDump. Apart from that, it's pretty decent, to be fair. But that is just something you should know. And apart from that, one of the big reasons why we're bullish, the China narrative, and because June the 1st, it's a big day for Hong Kong, opening its doors to crypto exchanges, some of them at least. What could happen is that we'll kind of have a buy the rumor, sell the news event type phenomenon. So that means that we're bullish before something happens, and then when it actually happens, we'll fall. And I think the same is going to happen with June the 1st. So right now we're still bullish, and a lot of things are possible because it's not June the 1st yet. It still takes like 3-4 days. However, you do need to be cautious, all right? Don't just buy Lina thinking we're going up to 1.55 and 1.5 cents. So 1.5 cents is 0.015. We can get there, but it's definitely not granted. It's not guaranteed, and it's going to be difficult to get there. So to now dive into the technicals, the only way I think we could get there right now is if we really keep all the momentum that we have. What you see is that the volume in the last 7 days has grown exponentially, and right now it's still growing. Or at least right now, perhaps it's stalling, but it's still very high, and overall it's growing. So with that momentum, what we have to do is break above this level right here between 1.35 and 1.4 cents. I think we'll drop down a little bit to this level right here around 1.3, so kind of what we've already been doing. And then from here, what we would need to do in the next 24 hours, I think so. I really think we need to do that, perhaps 36 hours. So by the end of tomorrow, we need to break above that level. I think breaking above 1.35 cents is already enough. If we can break above that, I think we'll have a bullish breakout and a bullish break retest. And I think we can get up to that 1.5 cents level. Whether that's, I mean, it's possible, it's realistic. Whether it's the most likely scenario or not, we will see. We'll see what the price does. If we're not able to break above that, like for example, if we get above that, but then we spike down immediately again, and we just kind of consolidate here. By tomorrow, if we haven't had that bullish breakout, I think it's too late. And I think it's more likely to drop down to the levels around 1.2, 1.15 than that it is to actually get that bullish breakout still. But that's my take on Lina for today. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.